Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin now, place the spool on the pin and secure it. This prevents uneven feed later. Wind and set the bobbin so it seats smoothly. Once done, raise the needle to its highest point by turning the hand wheel toward you. Thread the first guides, from spool through the upper thread guides, using steady tension. This initial path controls feed and prevents snags. Make sure the presser foot is up while threading the upper path so tension discs are open and accept the thread properly. Once the needle is raised, guide the thread down through the numbered path and between the tension discs to set proper tension. This step prevents loose loops or tight pulls. Then draw the thread up and through the take-up lever while it is at its highest. That ensures thread catches each stitch. Continue down, following the guides to the needle bar, keeping even tension with your fingers. Slowly pass the thread through the needle from front to back so it seats cleanly and tracks straight into fabric. You're finishing. Pull about 3-4 inches of upper thread and 1-2 inches of bobbin thread toward the rear to avoid tangles. Lower the presser foot, then slowly turn the hand wheel toward you 1 full revolution to catch and lift the bobbin thread up through the needle plate. Make sure both threads sit behind the foot. Sew a short test line on scrap fabric to confirm stitches are balanced. If you get skipped stitches, rethread both upper and bobbin threads and check needle type and seating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.